Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and controversial topics in the crypto world. With Trump's upcoming crypto summit in March 2025, Bitcoin's continued dominance, and major security breaches shaking investor confidence, there's so much to unpack. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. Over the past few months, the cryptocurrency market has been on a roller coaster ride. Bitcoin has not only hit new milestones, but is also outperforming many altcoins. Meanwhile, events like recent crypto hacks adding layers of complexity and caution to investor strategies. Today, we'll break down these dynamics and explore how they might shape the future of crypto. Let's start with a big event, Trump's crypto summit. In March 2025, President Donald Trump is set to host a White House crypto summit. This isn't just any conference. It's a gathering that could fundamentally alter market sentiment. With discussions expected around regulatory clarity and new policy proposals, the summit might create either stability or more volatility for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and the altcoin universe. Imagine this. Regulatory changes could pave a way for greater institutional adoption, or they could lead to tighter controls that unsettle the market. Either way, the summit is already sparking debates across social media and crypto forums. If you're into crypto politics and market strategies, this event is one you can't afford to ignore. Let's switch gears to the market dynamics that have been dominating discussions. Bitcoin is once again proving its mettle, with recent reports noting modest gains even as many altcoins like Ethereum and Solana struggle. What's behind this trend? One key factor is the massive institutional adoption Bitcoin has been experiencing. ETFs, significant inflows, and even mainstream media attention have bolstered its position as the go-to digital asset. Meanwhile, altcoins are trying to catch up. With events like ETH Denver and the Digital Asset Summit stirring up industry excitement, there's hope for a breakout, but it's a tough road. For investors, this means weighing the stability of Bitcoin against the potential high rewards of altcoins. If you're on the fence, now might be the perfect time to review your portfolio and consider where you see the future of digital finance heading. Now, let's talk about something that's on everyone's mind: security. Recent events, like the high-profile hack at Bybit allegedly linked to North Korean hackers, have raised serious concerns about crypto safety. Hacks like these don't just shake the market, they shake investor confidence. So, what can you do to protect your digital assets? Here are a few practical tips. 1. Hardware wallets. Store your crypto in offline wallets to minimize exposure. 2. Two-factor authentication. Always enable 2FA on your accounts for an extra layer of security. 3. Stay informed. Regularly follow trusted crypto news sources and forums to stay ahead of potential threats. By taking these steps, you can reduce risks and ensure that you're better prepared to face the market's ups and downs. As we look forward, it's clear that March 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal time for cryptocurrency. Trump's crypto summit could redefine market rules, while Bitcoin continues to lead amid a sea of altcoin challenges. Add to that the ever-present need for robust security measures, and you have a perfect storm that could either propel the market into a new era or send it spiraling into uncertainty. For investors and enthusiasts alike, the key takeaway is to remain agile, monitor market signals, stay updated on regulatory changes, and, most importantly, protect your investments. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the landscape is evolving, and it's time to adapt. I'd love to hear what you think. Do you believe Trump's crypto summit will bring more clarity or cause further market volatility? How are you planning to adjust your strategy in light of Bitcoin performance and recent security issues? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into the crypto world, and share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Let's start a conversation and learn from each other as we navigate these exciting yet challenging times in the digital currency space. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay crypto smart.